What's going on, everyone? This is Vince from Life with Vince Luu. For the past couple of days, I've really been debating whether I should invest in a GoPro Hero 8 or not. Yeah, Vince, you should do it. If you buy a GoPro Hero 8, you're investing in yourself. Nah, Vince, you don't really need it. You have your phone, you have your Canon M50, you can definitely work without it. Yeah, but if you get it, you can make better YouTube videos, you can make better content. And isn't it really investing in yourself? I guess. Well, how much is it? Right now, they actually have a bundle. It's $481. That's including tax. And that is literally the conversation I am having with myself in my own mind. So I thought about it some more. Well. Then I thought to myself, why are you even thinking about this? If this is truly an investment in yourself, don't think about it, do it. Because I'm a huge believer in investing in yourself, whether that's through books, online courses, or maybe even GoPro Hero 8. If it's going to make me commit to YouTube to push out better content, why am I even thinking about it? I'm gonna do it. And if I'm being completely honest, I could definitely do without it. I have my Canon M50, I have my phone, but really I want to be the best content creator that I can be, to push out the videos that I'm proud of, to make it clean, to make it crisp. Because right now it is a little bit difficult to lug my Canon M50 out there, and plus I can't really get running shots. It's a little bit choppy because I don't want to carry my big GN and the big stabilizer. It's going to be heavy and I won't be able to carry it for long. So I've also wanted to get some chest shots of just my trail and really of me just running and talking to the camera. And I feel that the GoPro would be very good for that because it has a built-in stabilizer, but also you can add a mod on it that acts as a shotgun mic. Because honestly, with this YouTube thing, I'm in it. I'm in it to win it, and I'm committed. And I want to push out at least one video a day, 2 videos a day if I can, and I feel like this is just going to make life easier. Because right now I'm thinking to myself, is it going to be worth that $481? Do I really need it? But then when I buy it, and I use it often, and I'm getting better feedback from my YouTube audience, and I'm getting more subscribers, and my videos are better overall, I'm gonna be thinking to myself, why was I even thinking about it? Why was I even second guessing it? You should have got it a few weeks before that. And all of this is my personal opinion, so take that for what it's worth. But for me, I'm going to invest in myself and I'm not even going to think about it. But there is a caveat. There's investing in yourself and buying stupid stuff you don't need, and you really have to tell the difference. But for me, buying a GoPro Hero 8 will be an investment in myself. Though I actually can't buy it until May 1st, just because currently I am doing a 30-day challenges, and one of those challenges is to not buy anything that's non-essential. So come May 1st, GoPro Hero 8, here we go. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. Thanks for sticking around this long. And if you stuck around this long, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. And if you can give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Other than that, see y'all soon.